Hello everyone, myself Ranjita and I am currently pursuing MCA in Department of Studies in Computer Science at Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. Today I am going to present about the company that is Zensor Technologies and how AI is used in this company. Let's see. So, these are all the contents of my topic: introduction, history, company profile, list of CEOs, mission, vision and values, geographical presence, services, use of AI, social services, awards, SWOT analysis and references. Then coming to introduction. Zensor Technologies Limited is an Indian publicly traded software and services company. The company's stock trades on the Bombay Stock Exchange and on the National Stock Exchange of India. Zensor Technologies is one of the leading mobile app and web development companies. Then coming to the story behind choosing name Zensor. Literally, Chaturanga in Sanskrit means Chatur meaning four and Anga meaning part or divisions. Similarly, Zensor believes that the four key enablers for knowledge are leadership, culture, technology and process. Then coming to history. In 1991, ICIM established a subsidiary company named International Computers Limited, that is ICIL, with a focus on software. In 1999, the original hardware division of ICIM was shuttered, leaving ICIM/ICIL as a purely software company. In 2000, the company renamed to Zensor. From 2000 to 2005, the company focused on application management for its clients. In 2012, Zensor had approximately 11k employees servicing 400 clients in over 20 global locations. In 2015, Apex portfolio company acquired a stake in Zensor from Electra Partners Mauritius. In 2018, Zensor Technologies had offices in over 20 countries. At the end of the 2019 financial year, earned revenue of over 550 million US dollars. It is listed on both the National Stock Exchange of India and Bombay Stock Exchange, that is NSE and BSE. Then coming to the company profile. The Zensor company founded in 1991. Headquarter is at Pune, India. Industry type is IT services. Revenue is $589.5 million according to the survey of 2019. Number of employees are 10,000 plus employees according to the survey of 2020. Key peoples are Harsh Goyank, Chairman, Vivek Gupta, Executive Chairman, Ajay S. Bhutoria, CEO and Managing Director. Then coming to the logos. These are all the logos of Zensor Technologies. Then list of CEOs. Ganesh Natarajan became CEO in 2001 to 2015. Sandeep Kishore was named Zensor CEO in 2016, taking over from Ganesh Natarajan. In December 2020, Ajay S. Bhutoria was named Zensor CEO. Then about current CEO. Ajay Singh Bhutoria is the CEO and Managing Director of Zensor Technologies. With more than 30 years of experience in the technology industry across the US, Europe and India. He joined Zensor in 2020. Ajay spent 17 years at Cognizant Company. He led the retail, consumer goods, travel, hospitality, global vertical to perform leading growth. Before joining Cognizant, Ajay was the head of the Tata Consultancy Services in Netherlands. Zensor Technologies mission, vision and values. Mission statement is: we will be the best in delivering innovative industry-focused solutions with measurable business outcomes. Vision statement is: leaders in business transformation. Values are customer centricity, commitment to people and community, continuous innovation and excellence. Then geographical presence. Zensor Technologies UK Limited at United Kingdom, Zensor Technologies BV at Geneva, Zensor Technologies BV at Netherlands, Zensor Technologies at Netherlands, Zensor Technologies at Frankfurt, Germany, Zensor Technologies Regus Business Center at Australia, Zensor Technologies at United States of America, Zensor Holdings Limited at Johannesburg. Then coming to services of Zensor Technologies. digital supply chain, artificial intelligence, cloud infrastructure, data management, enterprise applications, AI and automation, data science and other latest technologies. Then about use of AI in Zensar technologies. Voice-based enterprise assistant. At Zensar, we believe the advances in conversational systems will have a huge bearing on how businesses achieve their objectives. Therefore, we have built strong capabilities in conversational AI and are already working with the customer to address their pain points. Our solutions focus on making the conversations contextual, dynamic, and personal, almost human-like, with text, speech, and vision used as modalities used for exchanging information and to detect context. Zeva is Zensar's voice-based enterprise personal assistant with features of enterprise integration, email integration, and Google Search integration. Zeva has an inbuilt self-learning capability based on its usage pattern, built on an AI-used Q&A system, that is question and answer system. Zeva maintains context in the conversation using voice authentication and offline speech features. Then these are all the AI innovations done in ZenLab. You people can see in first picture, that is brainwave detecting headset. We can now get the data by physiological functions using devices that can track the activity of different systems in the body. There are headsets that can sense brain waves similar to what neurons do for our body. These headsets pick up brain signals and then translate them into operation. You people can see in second picture and modeled in VR using Leap Motion device mounted on headset. They have been working on hand gesture recognition for retail systems for quite a long time. They have trained their own neural network that can detect our hand gesture in real time. Then continuation of AI innovations. Controlling the mouse scroll wheel using hand gesture. Using trained neural network, they have developed a system that allows the user to scroll and also control the location of mouse pointer using the hand movements. The user can click and also the scroll. Speed is the major advantage of using gesture as it's much quicker than speaking. Let's see how it works. Using hand movements, we can scroll the page upwards and also we can scroll the page downwards like this. Then continuation of AI innovation, that is wearable keyboard called Tab. Tab is a wearable device that enables the user to type without the use of a physical keyboard. According to the company, it designed in a way such that it supports strain-free input for a longer period. Unlike traditional keyboards, the user can tap on any surface using a combination of the fingers to define a particular symbol or alphabet. The combination is something like tapping with your thumb and index finger simultaneously will input the letter N. Let's see how it works. We can input the letters by tapping on any surface using a combination of fingers. Then, coming to the social services of Zensar Technologies. Urban Slum Community Development. At Zensar Community Development is initiated with the running of transformational programs like Community Mobilization, School Transformation Program and Udan English Proficiency Program that enables a positive and irrevocable change in people. Then, continuation, environmental sustenance, committed to making the planet a greener and cleaner place. Zensar has collaborated with the TMC to transform a barren area into biodiversity park. Then, digital literacy. Zensar has aligned itself with the National Digital Literacy Mission to empower at least one person per household in India with digital literacy skills by 2020. They have partnered with the PMC and leased 3 digital literacy buses and set of 5 digital literacy centers across Pune and Hyderabad. Then, awards of Zensar. Zensar wins 2021 Big Innovation Award for Technologies. Its innovation hub ZenLabs recognized for its client-centric solutions. Zensar wins the Future of Learning and Development Best Learning Strategy of the Year award in 2019, recognized for its extensive learning programs. Zensar wins 2020-21 Cloud Award, recognized in the category Cloud Consultancy/MSP of the Year. Zensar Technologies Company has received the prestigious Service Excellence Award at the Cisco Supplier Day. Then, SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Coming to strength, a rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity. Company with high TTM EPS growth. Growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin. Company with low debt. Company with zero promoter pledge. FII/FPI are institutions increasing their shareholding. Stock gained more than 20% in 1 month. Strong momentum. Price above short, medium and long term moving averages. Then coming to the weaknesses. Inefficient use of assets to generate profits. ROA declining in the last 2 years. Decline in net profit with falling profit margin. Declining revenue every quarter for the past 4 quarters. Promoter decreasing their shareholding. Then coming to the opportunities. Brokers upgraded recommendation or target price in the past 3 months. Highest recovery from 52-week low. RSI indicating price strength. Threats. Upcoming results of NIFT 500 with declining share price over the week. Degrowth in revenue, profits and operating profit margin in recent results. Increasing trend in non-core income. These are the references I used to make video. That is Wikipedia and impacting the future of enterprises. Thanks for watching.